How to add credit card or debit card to Roblox. Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can add credit or debit card to Roblox. So let's get started. So if you're trying to do it from the application, it won't work. What you're going to do is head over to the browser and search for roblox.com. Once you do so, you'll be able to see an interface like this. So you're going to click on continue in browser. And then you'll be asked to sign into your account. Simply type in your username, password, and then click on continue in browser again. And then you'll be redirected to your Roblox account. So what you're going to do is click on this gear icon here at the top right, and then click on settings. After that, you'll be redirected to your settings. So you're going to click on account info over here, and then you're going to click on payment methods. And here you'll be able to see all of your saved payment methods. If you don't have any already, you're going to simply click on add, and then you'll be taken over to this interface. So you're going to type down your card number, the expiry date, security code, billing email, the billing address, full name, country, region, address line, and click on save. So if you save your payment information, this will be your default purchase method for all future purchases. You can delete your saved payment information anytime. Your payment information will be stored by Stripe by saving you agree to Stripe's terms of use and privacy policy. So you can give them a read and click on save. And just like that, that's the end of today's tutorial. If you found this tutorial helpful, give it a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tutorials. I'll see you in the next video.